In the last class, we had discussed about how to recycle the papers and how to dispose the garbage. We had learned clearly, right, children? And what is mean by vermicomposting and composting we had learned. In this module, we are going to learn about the usage of plastics and what are the harmfulness of plastics. That is, what is it? Plastic is useful or harmful? Then, if it is useful, how to be used, and if it is harmful, then how do we have to minimize the usage of this plastic. In this module we are going to learn it detail. Children, can you identify these things? What are these things we call? We can see these are all plastics. Here if you see, we will be using different types of plastic materials, right? What we are here, we will be using different types of plastics. Like, can you give some examples of plastics? Yes, we'll be using in our day-to-day lives. Do you know what is the use of this plastic? What does it mean? The word plastic is derived from a Greek word plastikos, meaning that capable of being shaped or molded. It means that it can be shaped into any shapes. For example, we'll be seeing different types of things, right? How they are made by making into different shapes. What is it made up of? All these plastics are made up of petroleum products. We must use the plastic at the proper place and proper use. The major use of plastics is for packing and for carry bags and curbs, etc. They are biodegradable or not? Can be decomposed? No, they are non-biodegradable. What does it mean? It cannot be decomposed. What will happen if we use high usage of these plastics like we'll be using? We'll be facing a lot of problems. Like we'll be carrying the bags and everything, like carry bags for our single use only we can use these plastic bags. No, children, we are using these bags and for various activities which will be used for single use, and that makes us become to make a lot of problems, and there will be a dust and landfill and blocks the drainage. There are some uses, even though there are some animals, even those they eat the plastic as a food unknowingly. What will happen if they eat this? They may die. You can see here the animal has died because of not having a proper food. In the November 15th 2011, yet cow has died. It has eaten the plastic. Till now they are dying because of the plastics are being eaten by the cows. And here one of the most deadliest weapon of the collision in the world is plastic only. Because of that, there are the many killing of aquatic animals also, and we can see there is an abusage of plastics also we are using nowadays. And we even not only here, there are killing of overall many million birds per year, lakhs of marine animals. How do they kill the animals in the water? Here what will happen, when they'll decompose, these plastics are not able to decompose, so they'll be disposing all this waste material in the water. What will happen due to that? It cannot be decomposed, where the plastics are made up of with the chemicals. As a result, it may pollute the water and may lead to the problems to the aquatic animals, and these animals can eat these plastic bags knowingly, unknowing, thinking that it has an food. And even like for example, turtle under the sea, in April 2002 they had been killed many animals, even big animals, they were killed over there because in France. With why? Because they used to eat lot of pounds of plastic bags, approximately lot of it. Due to that, in the 2008 there is a big issue was happened, where in the sea areas turtles will start eating that, and they'll be affecting to the animals also. So here there is an millions of lots of unusing of plastics. Because we are running life so much, we are using we are not avoiding it, so we have to take care of our health. Today so much we are facing a lot of problems also, health issues. How it happens? Because there is an usage of high amount of usage of plastics may leads to an cancers also, because burning of plastics there is a producing a lot of chemicals and pollutions when they are throwing the plastic here and there, as you can see here. There it is affecting to the animals also, even to the aquatic animals, even human beings also. So everywhere we are throwing the plastics, not only in the environment, we are throwing it in the surroundings, in the waters, or in the, what is happening, it will be flowed with the high speed and it affecting to the environment. Even that, and farmer side also they are suffered with a lot of plantation, because of they cannot plant these plants because they are decomposed, the soil is totally decomposed by an buried with the plastic. As we are near to that landfill, we are closing and dumping these all plastics. What is happening? Due to that, they cannot be decomposed in the soil, where it is affecting to the growth of the plants also. That is the reason they are facing a lot of problems, and the water level also will be decreased due to the people use throw the waste plastic in it. What is happening? It is affecting to the water which is present in the seas and everything. Due to the rainwater absorbs this water, and land in the society will be using all these plastics. So here, in order to that, not only that we are facing a lot of burning, you can see hundred thousands, billions of tons of plastics are being thrown. And what you are doing generally, in order to, it is a solid waste which cannot be decomposed easily. How can we decompose it then? How we are doing that? What we are doing for that? We are doing incineration process, where we are burning the plastic, which will be creating a lot of toxic materials, lot of toxic, which is affecting to the environment and leading to the global warming. So the glaciers bad, as well as it is starts melting. Due to that plastic, it is totally affecting to the earth and leading to the global warming, and it is affecting to the earth. So here, not only that, it's our duty to protect the earth. In order to, what we have to do, follow the situation. We should have to avoid high usage of plastics. Here, the use of plastic with the maximum thickness of 60 microns for recycling. Second one, we are facing a lot of problems. So how can we have to do? We have to recycle these plastics. In order to that, we have to use jute bags. In spite of using the plastics, we have to ban the bags, and we have to use the jute bags, and we have to avoid usage of plastic bags, and we have to drink the water, tea or coffee in the glass or silver cups, so that we can avoid it. Because if we'll be using the teas, using this plastic cup for the tea, and there may be a possibility of cancers also, because the plastics are made up of with the different types of chemicals, and it is affecting. Here you can see that small video here, where we are throwing all the plastics over in the seas as well as in the waters. What is happening? It is affecting to the aquatic animals, and even into the marine animals, which are turtles. You can see there is a death of it. But is that it? The plastics are not useful to in our day-to-day life? Let us see. There is a possibility of usage of plastics in our day-to-day life. We are using number of things, right? We'll talk about the brush. If you see the brushes and different types of bottles and everything, even in the morning, if you try to do brushing and for washing the clothes, and everywhere we like to use the plastic items only. So there are the useful of the benefits of the plastics also. There are the many useful of plastic usage. So here we can see there are different types. Not only in our day-to-day life, we'll be using in the cars also. Almost all the vehicles, here you can see almost all the vehicles are made up of with the plastic items only. And here you can see there are top 10 items found overall the world, which are made up of with the plastics only. Plastic polythenes, chocolates, wrappers, utensils, as well as bottles, spoons, etc., which will be used a number of it. Rather than that, is it not possible to control these plastics? What we have to do it? Now how we have to do this problem to solve it? things we do wrong. What we are doing generally wrong things, we are throwing it everywhere, where we are burning the plastic, which is not correct. And what is happening due to that, it is affecting to the animals. When you are throwing the plastic here and there, these are being eaten by the animals. What is happening, which leads to the death of animals, and is polluting to the water also. And we can see there is a possibility of diseases causing infections and everything. We are dumping out here and there. In order to that, for example, we have to dump it in the landfill, we have to reuse it. Understand? We have to dump in proper way. Organic is a green, organic matter we have to throw it in the green box, and glass is should be thrown in the yellow, whereas in the case of paper it should be thrown in the white dustbins. We will be seeing this type of dustbins in the when we'll go for outside and everywhere, we'll be seeing this type of dump yards and everything. We have to throw in a proper dust in the dustbins only. Plastic should be thrown in the blue. Hazards, that is chemicals and everything, should be thrown in the red, whereas in the case of metal should be thrown in the things. What we are doing generally, we are throwing here and there general waste and plastic bags, etc. We are doing wrong things. We have to follow life without plastic. So it is not possible. We can be refuse it to be a problem. How can we control it? You are the solution. You are the only the solution for this to avoid. You have to give awareness to the public. Plastic should not be thrown. Here is a list of major factors which prove that plastic has an important place in our daily lives. However, what do we do after using the plastic articles? After we realize that they are no longer for us any use to us, so what we'll throw out away in the dustbin. But have you ever, what happens to these plastics? Where does it go? What is the journey of this plastic? One enters into the garbage bin. You may wonder why it is important to know about the plastic which is not useful, that is thrown in the dust. It is very important to know it. Just away think about it for a moment, that plastic is a type of solid waste. That means it will occupy space. When we throw it away, can be for the consumption of the space by the waste material at this point? No. For growing the populations, we are throwing this plastics, means what will happen? It will occupy a lot of space. So find an alternate way for the dumping of this plastic. Let us think about it. What can we do with the plastic after throw it away once? Option is that, one of the option is that we can burn it. That results in burning plastic, we could effectively get rid of them. Will this make us to no space? Will be occupied right way. For example, if you burn it, what will happen? It will melt for a moment, right? But it may have smaller space. We know that the fact plastic just melts on heating. It does not completely turn into an ash. What remains behind it simply as unusable form of molten plastic. And is there are any other effects it will affect? Yes. Burning plastic leads to release of various fumes, the chemicals. The release can cause severe health issues, like and in human beings as well as other living organisms. So that means the option of burning of plastic is completely ruled off from our list. What other option we can do for this? Can you guess? We can try burying the plastic in the soil. Can this a good option? Maybe yes or no? Yes. Maybe wrong, because it may here you may say that it may be correct, sir, because we are not burning. So what will happen? You can easily bury it out, because it cannot be leads to any harmful fumes and neither. But here it occupies space. If we bury all the plastic, that gets generated wait a second, that microbes in the soil get affected. If we plastic in their homes, yes, the stress given to the natural living organism in the soil by plastic is quite significant. But why do they get stressed? Let me explain. We know that when organic matter gets into the soil, the microbes present will degrade it. This is called decomposition reaction. But the reaction is not possible only when we are have organic matter. And as we know that plastics are now very close to being or organic does is organic inorganic nature makes them to unfit for the growth. Okay, where it is present in the soil and it is not good for the growth, significantly all these microbes may die. So it will not helpful for these microorganisms may not decompose the waste material which are present in the soil. What will happen ultimately? The waste material will remain in the soil and the plastics cannot be degraded, and that may affects to the environment as well as death of the plants and may leads to a problem. So we can clearly say that the plastics are non-biodegradable. That means they cannot be decomposed. That do not make them to fit for burial. If we still bury them, then they will not only occupy the space in the soil, and it will also lead to the soil pollution. What worse is that they will harm the natural microbes in the soil. So the option of the burying plastic also get ruled out. So we cannot burn them or bury them. What other option we have to do then? What can we do the plastics waste generated? The simplest, convenient and most eco-friendly method is recycling. Yes, plastic has the property to melt when heated, and the molten plastics can be further molded into different forms. And thus the plastics can be recycled to form a useful items. So can we use sorted with the plastic way can be easily recycled. So what is the best method here? Recycling. So you have to follow the substitute for the plastics. We will be getting the different methods in our day-to-day lives. What are the things we are using? We have to avoid it. Most usage of the plastics. We have to replace the things like plastic bags should be replaced with the jute bags or any such as natural materials. This will help them unless the generation of plastic waste. It is our responsibility to keep the environment clean and safe for other. Understand children? We have to avoid usage of plastic as much as you can, and we have to follow 4Rs. What are the 4Rs? By the way, it is simple, stands for reduce, reuse, recycle, recover. Is it not this principle is simpler? Yes, of course. It says that we should reduce the use of plastic in the first place. If we use it, then we should have to repeatedly use it. It has to be reused once it is turns useless. We should have to recycle it. That means we should convert into a simpler product or which is useful to that. And what does recover means? There are many materials which are complex in nature. These cannot be directly recycled. So option is that for recovering the energy stored in them. In such cases we use the process the material in the various stages to get the energy stored inside them. Following such rules can help the environment to be healthy and it kept safely. Got it clear children? We need to follow the rules and we need to save the environment by following 4R rules. Thank you. Overall we had learned from this module is that plastics have both useful and harmful effects. In this case it depends on us how we use it. See children, we have to minimize the usage of plastics because it is very dangerous and it may affect to the living as well as aquatic, terrestrial, all the animals. How can we control it? We can minimize the use of the plastics by following the 4Rs rules. That means recover, recycle, reduce and regenerate the plastics. Means not regenerate, recycle. We have to follow this method in order to minimize the usage of plastics. And we come to know clearly that not only there are harmful effects, there is a usefulness of plastics. Even in our day-to-day life we are using the plastic for various activities. How we can replace it all based on it has a capability of being shaped. That means what does it mean of plastic? We have studied that plasticose, which means it can be changed into any shapes. Based on this principle, we are using this plastic can be recycled or regenerate into different shapes. Is it clear? Thank you.